Welcome back, developers. Today we're diving into a topic that's sure to elevate your web development skills: crafting interactive image galleries with React and CSS transitions. Imagine transforming a simple image display into an engaging experience that captivates users, whether they're browsing an online store, appreciating photography portfolios, or reading an online magazine. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to build these dynamic galleries, but also how to optimize them for performance, ensure cross-browser compatibility, and enhance accessibility. If you're looking to create visually stunning and user-friendly web applications, this tutorial is a must-watch. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you ahead in the fast-paced world of web development. Let's start by exploring the core concepts that make interactive image galleries possible. At the heart of our project is React, a powerful JavaScript library known for its component-based architecture. This allows us to break down our gallery into reusable components, making it easier to manage and scale. Imagine each image as a piece of a puzzle that can be easily swapped or updated without affecting the whole picture. Now, pair this with CSS transitions, which add a layer of smooth, visually appealing animations when users interact with the gallery. Think of transitions as the magic that turns a simple click into a seamless animation, enhancing the overall user experience. In React, state management plays a crucial role in keeping track of which images are being displayed and how they transition in response to user actions. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring each component plays its part in harmony. With these tools, you're equipped to create galleries that not only look good, but also perform well. Let's look at a practical example of how to implement our interactive image gallery using React and CSS transitions. We'll focus on the gallery component, which is the core of our application. This component uses styled components for dynamic styling, allowing us to apply transitions effortlessly. Here's how our gallery.js file is structured. Let's see our interactive image gallery in action. As you navigate through the application, notice how the images are neatly displayed in a grid format. Hover over any image, and you'll see it slightly enlarge, thanks to the CSS transition applied. This subtle animation creates an engaging user experience by providing feedback on hover. Click on an image, and a modal window smoothly appears, showcasing the image in full view. The transition is seamless, enhancing the visual appeal. The modal includes a close button, allowing you to exit the full view mode and return to the gallery without any abrupt changes. This interactive experience keeps users engaged and encourages exploration. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create an interactive image gallery using React and CSS transitions. This powerful combination not only enhances the visual appeal of your web applications, but also delivers a smooth, engaging user experience. As you apply these techniques, you'll find them invaluable in creating responsive and user-friendly interfaces that captivate your audience. Don't stop here. Challenge yourself to add new features, like filtering or sorting images, and share your creations with our community. Remember, subscribing to our channel keeps you informed with the latest tutorials, accelerating your learning journey with real-world examples you can immediately apply. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.